Welcome back to Good Day Utah this morning. Time right now is 7:44. Construction crews across the state busy improving our roads.
Yeah, we're joined by John Gleason from UDOT to talk about the projects on Utah's roads going on right now. There are always lots of them. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Dan and Carrie. Thanks so much for having me.
Hey, thanks for joining us this morning. Let's talk about I-15 through Layton, which is always a very busy spot.
It is. Tonight, I-15 is going to close in both directions in Layton. It starts around 10 o'clock. The freeway is going to be shut down between Antelope Drive and Layton Parkway, and we're detouring all of the traffic off of the freeway onto Main Street. And then during the closure, our crews are going to be pouring concrete for the new bridge that runs over the freeway at Gentile Street. And the whole gist of this project is we're widening the freeway to extend the express lanes from Layton to Riverdale, and we should be completed with this project by next year.
Okay, I keep thinking, John, that because of COVID and the pandemic, a lot of people aren't having to drive. So maybe this is a good time for all these construction projects. Let's talk about the I-15 technology corridor.
Yeah, there's a lot of work happening here, Carrie. We're, doing a lot of work this weekend and over the next few months so that we can wrap up the project later on this year. This weekend, northbound I-15 is going to be down to 3 lanes in American Fork and Lehi from Saturday night to Monday morning. Now, the lanes are going to close between Main Street and American Fork and the 600 East Bridge in Lehi. Starts about 10:30 on Saturday, and then all lanes will reopen again on Monday morning about 5:30 in the morning. And during this closure, or during the lane closure, I should say, we're pouring concrete for the new bridge that runs over Lehi Main Street. And like you said, Carrie, it's all part of the technology corridor. Once the concrete's in place, you may not see some of the work going on out there. The lanes have to stay closed so the concrete can harden.
So that's why we'll be waiting, even though nobody's out there working. Hey, so tell us, though, when is that thing going to be done? Because that can sometimes, I know a lot of people are concerned about those lane shifts and how long those will be in place.
Yes. It's been our biggest project over the last 3 construction seasons, and we're going to wrap up later on this year, Dan, and that's why we're doing so much work. On Saturday, we have construction workers placing the last bridge beam, which is a big deal because we've replaced or newly built 17 different bridges. And if you think about that, that's 284 bridge beams. We figured this out, guys. It's 35 million pounds. To add some perspective to that, that's about 1.5 times the weight of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, my goodness. All right, John, I guess a lot of bridge work going on. Is that what's happening in Sandy, 90th South? Is that also bridge work?
That's right, Carrie. 90th South is going to close in both directions near the freeway there between Monroe Street and I-15. That starts this Saturday, 8 o'clock, and opens again Monday morning, 5 a.m. So, again, all day Sunday, it's going to be closed in that section. It's also going to be closed next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday nights. And our crews are going to be placing bridge beams right there for the new bridge that runs over 90th South. And this is the northbound I-15 project. It's the future ramp system that we're designing to kind of help improve safety and traffic flow on northbound I-15.
Well, always something going on. Busy guys. Yeah, well, thanks a lot, John. We hope you can enjoy your weekend despite everything going on. I know it's going to be busy for you.
Hey, thank you both. It's great to talk to you.
You too. See you next time. All right.